So I may have gotten busy and forgotten to do the demo while I was in Thailand, but I've got time now. We're here in Spain, very beautiful near Marbella, and I have the demo ready to go on my phone, so I can actually show you the real world use case and example of me using it within the native Instagram app, which is all ready to go. It took me a little bit of playing around, but we're able to get it working now. I've sent this over to the clients. They're pretty happy with it. Got a few edits to make, but we're going to be running through an actual over-the-shoulder demo so you can see exactly how this is working and the kind of look and feel of how someone using this would actually be interacting with it. So we can cut to that now. So here's my Instagram profile for the business. I've put a nice Instagram story. So here's my brother and me having a sangria. Wait. So throwing a bit of a curveball, seeing if the AI can handle it. Yep, building a warrior mind and body is key to gaining confidence and overall health. How much have you invested financially in your personal development? Let's say I've done about $500. And now we have to wait a second because it's doing the final step of actually matching up all of these responses. And it's trying to match it up against what the ideal offer is for them. So should take a second. We've actually got two AI steps that are happening here. First is the matching, and then the second is matching up the correct link to create the button with. So you're going to see a button in a second as well. That's a great start. Investing in yourself is the first step towards achieving your fitness goal. That's all my questions done. Based off your answers, you're an ideal candidate to start working with Cooper one-on-one, transforming your mind and body towards your goal of rapidly towards your goal of losing weight. Your motivation level and the fact you've already invested in your personal development shows you're serious about this, etc. So all good, and now I can click this button. They've been qualified, they check out, they're good for the program based on our criteria, and it takes it to, at this point, it's my booking page, but in the future it's going to be the client's one. I just need to swap the link out. So pretty happy with that so far. I've sent it off to the client and he wants a couple edits. I think we're going to add in some delays. So it's going to have like a time delay between when they actually send the message and when the first one sends back, and we can add some delays in between each of them. And then we can also add typing delays, so it's going to look like it's typing away and make it seem a lot more human and natural. So couple more edits to make. I think I've got one thing I want to work on tonight that you might be getting to see in a bit is how I'm actually going to connect this up to a CRM style hub for all of the conversation and leads to go. And I'm going to be tracking all of these different responses that they're giving and putting it in different columns. So I'll have this ultra powerful resource of data on each of the customers that are chatting to it. And then I'm going to show that to the client and really get them